Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to install PhilZ Recovery. First of all, you need to root your mobile and install CWM Recovery. I already installed and rooted my mobile. You can check out my video links in the description. So to install PhilZ Recovery, first of all you need to copy the PhilZ Recovery file into your mobile storage. Then power off your mobile. And go to recovery mode by just using the power, home and volume up keys. Now I am in CWM Recovery. Now click on install zip and browse the file PhilZ Touch where you have saved in your mobile. And just install it. That's it. Now we are in PhilZ Recovery. It's working. So I hope you like my work. Thank you for watching my video. This is A to Z Info signing out.